Many people suffer from seated instability, which can compromise functional independence and lead to secondary health complications. Our protocol holds the potential to assess, challenge, and improve balance during sitting. Our technique combines elements of existing balance research tools into one novel device that is optimized for clinical use and accessibility.
Individuals who suffer under a neuromuscular impairment may struggle to maintain seated balance. Our protocol provides access to assessment and training techniques that are known to benefit balance rehabilitation outcomes. This protocol can be applied to investigate balance control mechanisms and to optimize sensory feedback methods. New users of this protocol should be sure to use our supplemental drawing and solid model files to produce a working replica of the device.
At the beginning, weld a base nut to a steel plate to construct an attachment interface for interchangeable hemispherical bases. Using a computer numerical controlled or CNC milling machine, construct a cylindrical chassis, lid, and base from polyethylene. Then bolt the base plate to the base and place the chassis on the base. Use the milling machine to construct a 37 mm long, 32 mm outer diameter cylindrical polyvinyl chloride sleeve that fits onto a threaded rod. After welding steel flanges to each side of a steel hitch, bolt the hitch to the front of the base.